Alright, so what's up guys? So for today's video, we're going to install the CentOS 7 in our Oracle Virtualbox. So to start, just open your Oracle Virtualbox Manager, and then go ahead and click Machine, and then click New, or simply just Control N for the shortcut. And then let's give a name to our virtual machine. So since we will be installing the CentOS 7, so we'll call it CentOS VM. Alright, so for the memory size, yung minimum recommended memory ni CentOS is 1024. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the virtual hard disk. Okay, yung VDI, so ito yung hard disk file type. Yung VDI, ito yung native file type ni Virtualbox. Yung VHD naman, that's for Windows virtualization, which is yung Hyper-V. And yung VMDK is the native for VMware. Now you can use which of the three, but for more option, gagamitin natin sa VDI. Okay? So, itong option lang naman itong dalawa is just in case you are going to migrate and transfer your VM to VMware or Hyper-V. But for this tutorial, we're going to use the VDI. Alright, and let's go ahead. So, tayo na may allocator lang pipiliin nyo para mas magagamit nyo mas ma-utilize nyo yung hard disk nyo, yung physical hard disk. Alright, so mag-allocate lang tayo ng 8GB para sa kanya. Then let's go ahead and create our virtual machine. So after that, hindi pa siya mag-start kasi wala pa siyang bootable file. So kailangan natin yung ISO file ni CentOS. Okay, kung hindi nyo pa siya nada-download and you need to download it, so nasa description yung link kung saan nyo mada-download yung CentOS ISO file. Okay, so first let's go to settings and then storage. So makikita nyo, ito na yung virtual disk natin. So yung isang controller empty, so dito natin ilalagay ngayon yung ISO natin. So hahanapin natin yung ating installer, which in this case nandito na siya kasi pag nag-add kayo dito ng image file, so naiiwan yung history. Okay, so kung wala dyan yung installer nyo, of course we're going to locate it kung saan nyo siya sinave. Okay, so for this tutorial, ang gagamitin natin CentOS 7 na minimal version or minimal install. Alright, and then pupuntahan natin yung network, and since ito naka-NAT, ibig sabihin hindi siya makikita ng ating local area network. So yung local IP address ni host computer ay magiging DNS niya, or parang magiging 1 niya. So babaguhin natin to, gagawin natin bridge. So naka-bridge siya ngayon sa aking Wi-Fi adapter na Broadcom. Alright, so that's okay. And then we'll go ahead and install the CentOS 7. So pipiliin nyo ngayon yung ISO image and start. Basic lang installation na gagawin natin dito, no? Ayan. Okay. So ayun, kung mapapansin nyo, same na yung nung nasa local IP natin. Alright, so ngayon meron na tayong tapos na yung installation natin. So let's go ahead and reboot the system. Guys, if you want to watch my video tutorial on how to install CentOS 7 Minimal with the proper partitioning, please subscribe and watch my video. Alright, so alright guys, so now we have the CentOS Minimal installed on Oracle Virtualbox. Okay, so shutdown muna natin to. Kung gusto mong i-start yung virtual machine mo na ayaw mong mag-pop up yung panibagong window, just right click and then start. Pili mo yung headless start. Alright, so start na siya. Alright, so I hope you guys like my video tutorial. And please click on subscribe and watch out for more of my videos. Thank you so much and God bless.